Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see about 1 marks, that is light, chapter 3 in class 8. First question, dash is an optical device that reflects light. So mirror is an optical device that reflects light. Second question, the shape of the mirror determines the image. Always just the shape of the mirror will determine the image. For example, the shape can be spherical or parabolic or ellipsoid, etc. Third question, dash is a form of curved mirror. Spherical mirror is a form of curved mirror. Curved mirror have been divided into spherical mirror, cylindrical mirror, parabolic mirror, etc. Fourth question, plane mirror produce dash. Plane mirror always produce a perfect image. Fifth question, curved mirror produces dash. Curved mirror always produces an enlarged image. Sixth question, dash mirror magnifies the image of an object. So concave mirror always magnify the image of the object, whereas convex mirror will reduce the size of the object. Seventh question, parabolic mirror is constructed by dash. Parabolic mirror was constructed by Heinrich Hertz. Eighth question, parabolic mirror is also known as dash. Parabolic mirror is also known as parabolic reflector. Ninth question, dash are used in radio telescope. Parabolic reflector are used in radio telescope. 10th question, dash is the geometrical center of the spherical mirror. So the geometrical center of the spherical mirror is known as pole. 11th one, the distance from the center to the vertex is known as dash. It's known as radius of curvature. 12th question. 12th question, the line joining the pole and the center of curvature is called dash. It is known as principal axis. That is a line passing through the pole and the center of curvature is called principal axis. 13th question, dash is half of a radius of curvature. So focal length is a half of radius of curvature. This formula can be written as focal length is equal to radius of curvature divided by 2. 14th question, dash can be formed on the screen. What image can be formed on the screen? Real image, whereas virtual image cannot be formed on the screen. Next question, 15th, dash are used in torches, headlight, telescope, solar cooker. So what mirrors used? Concave mirrors used in torchlights, headlight, telescope and solar cooker. 16th question, dash convex mirror is used as dash. It is used as rear view mirror. It's used for road purposes, etc. 17th, bouncing back of light is called dash. It's known as reflection. 18th, dash is the best reflector of light. Silver is always the best reflector of light. 19th question, dash are called or the two types of reflection. Reflection are two types. One is regular reflection and irregular reflection. 20th, dash obey the laws of reflection. Dash obeys laws of reflection. Regular reflection obeys the laws of reflection. This irregular reflection do not obey the laws of reflection. So dash images are formed in multiple reflection. 3 or more images are formed in multiple reflection. So multiple reflection is used in showrooms or saloons, etc. 22nd question, the principle of kaleidoscope is dash multiple reflection. Dash is used for viewing ships or used in submarines. Periscope. 24th, periscope is based on dash. It is based on the principle of law of reflection. 25th, periscope is used in dash. It's used in warfare, firing guns, etc. and it's also used in endoscope. The refractive index of glass is dash. It's 1.5. 27th question, the splitting of white light into 7 colors is known as dash. It's known as dispersion. 28, dash has larger wavelength and dash. So red light has a larger wavelength and deviates less. 29th, violet light has the shorter wavelength and deviates more. This is an important 1 mark question. 30th question is, dash is also known as principal focus. Focus is also known as principal focus. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.